Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video, I want to discuss about power bank. It's a power bank of Vigor. Company name is Vigor. Make something different. Good power bank here in my hand. I got this power bank in very good price, so that's why I'm sharing the specs of this power bank with you. First, its name is Vigor, right? And you can use for iPhone, Galaxy S8 and BlackBerry, so you can use anywhere. I actually purchased it from Dubai, so its price is 59. All the specs are given here. Specification: model VW1, micro input 5 volt to 2 ampere, battery voltage it's giving 3.7 volt, and its wattage is 92.5 watt hour, means it's giving you maximum power package of 92 hour, almost 92 and a half hours. It's a very huge time, and beside this its input voltage is 5 volt an ampere, so 25,000 mAh its capacity. So you can consider it is one of the best power bank, especially you can use when you want to if your mobile battery is not being surviving for a long, so you can use this power bank. It is very effective and very accurate, you can say that, and it's giving very smooth DC output. I will unbox from here. So it's the upper cap, right, and this is the power bank inside of this. You can see this is the power bank. Almost all specs are given on this power bank, so you can read also from here. Beside this, I can show this is your output port. This is also your output port. You can charge 2 cell phone at a time, right? And this area, this one is your light. So I will show here. When I will press this, you can see this is your light, okay? And now I will push back and it will be off, right? Your charging will show from these 4 points. This is the input side of this power bank. You can charge it with a normal adapter that you use for cell phone charging, so normally it is operating. Beside this, what inside this is the cable. One cable is available for you can say that for charging of your cell phone. So it's this input side, right? You will punch here, and output side you can insert in your cell phone. Beside this, I wanted to see a few more things. If it's inside, yes, it is the catalog of this, and you can study all the catalog, how you can connect with your cell phone and how you can connect with your earpod or other devices. So this is one of the best, because I have already used this. So one of the best power bank this is present in the market, and very economical, right? Very economical. So you can purchase this power bank, but I purchased it from UAE, okay? If you find my video very good and informative for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.